Welcome back. Through this video, we'll understand the vulnerability scanning. Basically, vulnerability scanning, also commonly known as vulnerability assessment or vulnscan, is an automated process of proactively identifying network, application, and the security vulnerabilities. And the vulnerability scanning is typically performed by the IT team of an organization or a third-party security service provider. So this scan is also performed by attackers who try to find points of entry into your network. And the scanning process includes the detecting and classifying the system weakness in the server application, server operating system, network devices, firewalls, and also the end user devices. In addition to identifying the security holes, the vulnerability scans also predict how effective countermeasures are in case of a threat or an attack. A vulnerability scanning service uses a piece of software running on a server owned by the same company or owned by the vulnerability assessment service provider. And the vulnerability scanner uses a database to compare the details about the target attack surface. So where they will have the knowledge base of the known vulnerabilities, and also they will have a database through which it can logically test the application's vulnerability. So through which it can also uncover the unknown vulnerabilities. And also the database references known flaws, coding bugs, packet construction anomalies, default configuration, and potential paths to sensitive data that can be exploited by the attackers. After the software check for possible vulnerabilities in any device within the scope of the engagement, so then the scan generates a report. So the findings in the report can then be analyzed and interpreted in order to identify opportunities for an organization to improve their security posture. And that's where the understanding of the vulnerability assessment or the vulnerability scanning. So in the next video, we'll proceed with the practical demonstration. Until then, bye bye.